If you're seeing a Framer optimization error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when a project is too heavy, has oversized media, too many animations, or extra code that slows things down. The good news is that you can usually solve it without rebuilding your site from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Framer. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the elements on your page and think about what might be causing the project to become too heavy. In most cases, the biggest problem is media. Large images and large video files can quickly impact performance and trigger optimization warnings. So the first thing you want to do is remove any heavy images that are not essential or compress them so they take up less space. If you still need the images, try using smaller dimensions and exporting them in a more optimized format so they load faster. Next, look at your videos. If you have large video files embedded directly in the project, that can also create problems. Instead of uploading everything directly into Framer, use external hosting wherever possible. For example, you can host videos on YouTube and embed them into your site instead of loading massive files inside the project. This keeps your Framer project lighter and helps improve overall performance. After that, go through your animations and effects. Framer makes it easy to create beautiful motion, but too many animations, transitions, parallax effects, or layered interactions can slow a project down. If you have several complex effects on one page, try reducing them one by one. Keep only the animations that really add value, and remove anything that feels unnecessary. Simplifying motion is one of the quickest ways to improve optimization. Now move on to your components and assets. Over time, it's easy to leave behind old sections, unused design elements, duplicate assets, or components you no longer need. These may not always be visible, but they can still add clutter and contribute to performance issues. Delete any unused components, remove extra assets, and clean up your project so Framer has less to process. A cleaner project is usually a faster project. The next thing to check is custom code. If you've added custom scripts, embed code, or external libraries, some of them may be running heavy loops or unnecessary processes in the background. Open your custom code sections and review what's actually needed. If you find scripts that are large, repeated, or not essential, remove them or replace them with a lighter solution. Sometimes a single script can make a big difference in how smoothly the site runs. As you make these changes, preview your site and test the performance again. It's best to fix one issue at a time so you can see what actually solved the problem. Start with images, then videos, then animations, then unused assets, and finally, custom code. That way, you can isolate the source of the optimization error and make your project much lighter without guessing. If the warning still appears after cleaning everything up, go back through the page and compare heavy sections against simpler ones. Often, the biggest wins come from trimming unnecessary content rather than making major technical changes. The goal is to help Framer load your site more efficiently while keeping the design looking good. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix a Framer optimization error is to open your project, remove or compress heavy images, replace large videos with external hosting like YouTube, reduce animations and complex effects, delete unused components and assets, and check custom code for heavy scripts or loops. Follow those steps and your project should run much smoother. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Framer guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.